we completed with this three variable K map, and also we have seen about the tabular method. So today I will explain you the new topic, that is combinational circuits. Okay, combinational logic design or a combination. Okay, combinational logic design. Okay, so in digital circuits there are two types. So one is combinational circuit, logic circuit. The outputs are depending on the, suppose you have like n inputs. Okay, n input variables. So this is a combinational circuit. Okay, so you have m outputs. Okay, m output variables. Okay, the n output variables, those are nothing but you are getting 2 power n output variables. Okay, so that means the outputs are depending on the present inputs. We call that as a combinational circuit, the outputs. So that means the output is a function of input. Okay, so the present input, so the output is a function of present input. So that circuit we call as a combinational circuit. Okay, so example of combinational circuits are adder. Okay, and next subtractor, decoder, multiplexer, demultiplexer, demux. Okay, BCD adder. Okay, parallel adder. These all comes under the combinational circuit. Okay, so we'll study about these combinational circuits. Okay, separately. So first of all, today we'll study the adders. Okay, so adders, you see, adders. So basically, this is a one bit adder. So when you are adding 0 plus 0, 2 bits. Okay, one bit, 1 equal to what? 1, and 1 plus 0 equal to what? 1 0. Okay, so again 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to what? 1 1. Okay, so that means for 1 0, if you are adding 1, so this is basically 2. So for 2 you are adding 1 means 3 you are getting, that is in binary you are getting 1 1. Okay, so that means if you observe these three, so you are getting a single bit, the output you are getting the single bit. Based on this, we can develop half adder and full adder. Okay, so in adders, again these are divided into half adder, and full adder. Okay, so we'll see half adder and full adder in detail. Okay, so first of all, half adder. So first of all, we'll see the truth table. So there are two inputs for the half adder. A and, let us consider the A and B are the inputs, and the outputs are sum and carry. Okay, so here you have inputs. Okay, and next you have outputs. A and B, these are nothing but the inputs. Okay, and next and carry. Okay, so when 0 plus 0, so 0 plus 0, so that means you are getting, this is sum and this is carry. Okay, so this is carry, so you are getting sum 0, carry 0. Okay, so 0 and 0, So 0 plus 0, sum 0, carry 0. Okay. And 0 plus 1. Okay. You are getting sum 1 and you are not getting any carry, carry 0. Okay. So 0 plus 1, you are getting sum 1, carry 0. Okay. And next 1 0. Okay. So 1 plus 0 equal to what? 1, sum 1 and carry 0. Sum 1 and carry 0. Okay. So 1, 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to, basically in the previous thing I told you, 1 plus 1 equal to what? 1 0. Okay. So, so 1 0 means sum is 0. You should write like this. Sum is 0 and you are getting the carry. So carry is 1. Okay. So that means 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. So this is sum and this is carry. So during 1 plus 1, you are getting the carry. So here sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. So if you see the block diagram, so this is a half adder, half adder. So there are two inputs, A and B, and two outputs, sum. Okay. So this is sum and this is carry. S and C. Okay. Sum and carry. So so if you see, uh, by seeing the outputs, you can get the output expression. Okay, so S equal to, so wherever you have one, so you have to write the expression. So A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, so in this situation, this is one. So A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, so this is like XOR gate. So you can write A XOR B is equal to what? A XOR B. And next, for carry, if you see the truth table, if any of the input is 0, output is 0, and both inputs are same, 1, you are getting the output as 1. So this is nothing but you can write AB. Okay. So S equal to what? A XOR B, and C equal to AB. Okay. So if you draw the logic diagram, so what you are getting? You have an XOR gate. You have an XOR gate. The inputs are A and B. Okay. And the same inputs you are giving to the AND gate. Okay. So this is nothing but sum and this one is carry. Suppose if you want to draw the given expression in AND or invert logic, how you can draw? So A is given through the inverter. Okay. This A bar B, this expression I am using. A bar B, A bar B. So this is given through an AND gate, A bar B, and AB bar plus AB bar. Okay. So plus, so here if you see, this is, let us consider this is B. B is passing. So this is A bar. Okay. This is B bar. AB bar. So AB bar connected through the AND gate, and so, and so this is A, and coming to the carry, so this is sum, and next one coming to the carry, so this is nothing but AB, no? So AB is connected to the AND gate. Okay, this is nothing but the carry. Okay, so like this, you need to realize by using the basic XOR gate and AND gate, and by using logic, you can universal gate. So what are our universal gates? NAND gate and NOR gate are nothing but the universal gate. No, so that same expression I'm implementing by using the NAND logic. NAND logic. Okay. So so what is sum? Sum equal to A bar B plus AB bar. Okay. So you can write this one, AB bar plus A bar plus BB bar. So that means I written 0 plus 0. So 0 I written as A bar, and this 0 I written as B bar. Okay. So anyway, we have any a log A into A bar equal to what? 0. Okay. So this one you can take A common. Okay, what you are getting A bar plus B bar. Again from here you can take B common. So what you getting A bar plus B bar. Okay, so bar plus B into AB bar. So this one uh, you can write complement of complement. That means complement of complement is nothing but true form. No? So this one A into AB bar plus B into AB bar. Okay. So again, I'm applying the De Morgan's law. So what you are getting? AB bar, okay, AB bar, whole bar, in AB bar, whole bar. Okay. So again, so you got this expression. And what is C? C equal to what? AB. C equal to AB. This one you can write as AB bar, whole bar. Okay. So So I'm using these two expressions. So sum and carry. Okay, I'm using these two expressions. Okay, so these two expressions I'm using. Okay, I'm implementing by using the NAND gate. Okay, so these two expressions. So I'm implementing it by using the NAND gate. So here, if you see NAND gate implementation. So first of all, NAND gate. So this is A and this is B. So here, what you are getting is. So next, so this is A and one more AB bar as input. It is given through NAND gate. Okay. So here what you are getting A into AB bar whole bar. Okay. So now here also again you are using one more NAND gate. Okay. So what you are whole bar. Okay. Two outputs are given to one more NAND gate. So what you are getting A into AB bar whole bar into B into AB bar whole bar whole bar. Okay. So you got this expression. You got this expression. Okay. And next,
Sir,
what
we
is
can't see
carry?
what you're
Carry.
writing, sir.
Pardon? Pardon? Any doubts?
Sir, we can't see what you're writing, sir. Just stop presenting.
Just one second.
Right, sir, it is clear.
Can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
So what is carry? Carry equal to what? AB bar. AB bar whole bar. Okay. So AB bar whole bar means from here you got AB bar. No. Okay. So when this one is given to one inverter. Okay. So this is nothing but AB bar whole bar. Okay. So this is nothing but carry. Okay. So this is nothing but sum and carry. So this is the implementation by using which gate? NAND logic. Okay. Universal gate. And next, I will implement by using NOR logic. Okay. So implement by using NOR logic. So what is sum? Sum equal to AB bar plus A bar B. Okay. So this I can write as AB bar plus A bar plus A bar B plus BB bar. So that means I added two zeros. So 0 I can write as A into A bar and 0 I can write as B into B bar. Okay. So that wherever I have 0, I replace with A into A bar and B into B bar. Okay. So again I can take A common. So what you can write A bar plus B bar. Again here I can take B common. A bar plus B bar. Okay. So and if you combine, so if you apply some distributive law, so that means you can take a bar plus b bar common. So what you can write a plus b into a bar plus b bar. Okay. So mm, so again you apply complement of complement. Okay. So a plus b into a bar plus b bar, complement of complement is nothing but the true form, no? So one complement you apply inside, apply the De Morgan's law. So what you will get? A plus B whole bar. Okay. Again plus. Okay. So that means and becomes R. So A bar plus B bar whole bar again whole bar. Okay. So this is nothing but sum. This is nothing but sum. So I am using this expression and I am realizing this logic gate. Okay. And next carry equal to what? AB. So carry equal to AB. So I'm applying the complement of complement. So this is nothing but A plus B whole bar. Okay. So this is carry. I'm using these two expressions and I'm realizing this logic by using the NOR gate. Okay. So if you see here, so this is A and this is B. So it is connected to one NOR gate. Connected to one NOR gate. Again, this A is there. These inputs, I want A bar means two inputs are tied together and given to NOR gate, I am getting A bar. Okay. And similarly, if I want B bar, so I am taking the B input and two inputs tied together, I will get B bar. Okay. So now, uh, so I want A bar plus B bar whole bar, no? So here I will get A bar. Okay. So here I am taking this input and giving to the one NOR gate. Okay. So this is nothing but A bar plus B bar whole bar. A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay. So A bar plus B bar whole bar, and this is nothing but A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar. Okay. Mm, so I'm taking this input and this input and connected to one NOR gate. Okay. I'm getting sum. So sum equal to what? A bar A plus B whole bar plus A bar plus B bar whole bar. I got this expression. No? I got this expression. So next I want carry. So carry equal to what? So carry equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay. This is nothing but A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay. So this is A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay. So this is how you need to realize the given expression for the sum and carry by using the NAND logic and as well as NOR logic. Okay. Is any doubts in this half adder so that I can go for the full adder?
No, sir.
Give res give response. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So next full adder. So next if you see full adder, full adder. So here full adder you have three inputs. Okay. Sum, carry and carry input. Okay. Sum, carry and carry inputs and two outputs. Okay. So that means let us take the inputs. So you are adding three inputs and outputs. Okay, so here you have three inputs. Those are A, B, and C input, carry input. Okay, and you have the sum output sum and carry. Okay, so if there are three possible, so three inputs, how many possible combinations? 2 cube. That means 8. Okay, if there are two inputs, how many possible combinations? Four possible combinations. If there are four inputs, 2 4 4. That means 16 possible combinations you will get. Okay. So here you have three possible combinations. So what are these possible combinations? 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, and 1 1 0. Okay. So, so these are the 1 1 1. Okay. So the total eight possible combinations are there. Okay. So if you see, uh, first 0 plus 0 is how much? 0. Again added to carry input, what you are getting? 0. Okay. So that means sum 0, carry 0. Okay. Sum 0 and carry 0. Okay. So carry 0. So this combination sum 0 and carry 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0. Again it is added to carry input. What you are getting? 1. Okay. So this is sum and this is carry. So sum 1, carry 0. Okay. So sum 1, carry 0. Again 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 is added to 0. You are getting sum 1 and carry 0. Okay. Sum 1, sum 1 and carry 0. Similarly, when you are adding 0 plus 1, you are getting 1, and 1 plus 1, what you are getting? 1 0. Okay. So that means 0 1. So sum is 0 and carry is what? 1. Okay. So, so sum is 0, carry is 1. Similarly, 1 plus 0 is 0, plus 0 is nothing but sum 0, carry 1 plus 0 is 1, no? Okay. 1 plus 0 is sum 1, carry 0. Okay. So here sum 1, carry 0. Similarly, 1 plus 0 equal to what? 1. Again 1 plus 1, so you are getting sum and carry. You are getting carry in this equation, and sum is 0. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. Similarly, if you see this condition, 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 0. Okay. So 1 0 plus 0 is how much? 1 0. Okay. So 1 0. So carry is 1, sum is 0. Okay. So sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. And similarly, 1 plus 1 is what? 1 0. 1 0 plus 1 is how much? 1 1. Okay. So that means sum is 1, carry is 1. So 1 1, sum is 1, carry is 1. Okay. So you can get the expression for sum and carry, but you can use the k maps, or you can use the boolean expression. So here I am using the k map for the sum. Okay. So I am using k map for sum. Okay. So how many variable? 3 variable map. Okay. So 8 cells will be there. So this is what are the inputs? A, B, C input. Okay. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. These are 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. So wherever, so this is 0 and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. So wherever you have 1, okay, you have to write. So uh, in 1 you have 1, and next 2 you have 1, and 4 you have 1, and next 7 you have 1. Okay. So That means so no quad or no pair will happen. Only you can combine single ones. Okay. So here this is nothing but A bar, and this is A, and this is B bar C in, B bar C in, B bar C bar in, B C in, B C bar in. Okay. So if you write the expression for sum, so what you are getting? So expression for sum AB, A bar, B bar, C in. So this one I am writing. Okay. And next A bar. So this one I am writing A bar, B, C in plus A, B bar, C bar in plus A, B, C in. Okay. So, so what you can do, here bar is there. A bar, B, C bar in. Okay. So, uh, so from these two, I am taking C bar in common, and from these two, I am taking C in common. Okay. So S equal to AB bar. Okay. This two I am writing AB bar plus A bar B. One second. A bar B bar C in plus A bar B C in bar plus AB bar C in bar plus AB C in. Okay. So A bar B plus AB bar, okay, into C in plus A bar B bar plus AB into C in. Okay. So into C in. Okay. So S equal to what is this? A bar B plus AB bar. This is nothing but A XOR B into C in plus this one is nothing but A XOR B. That is nothing but complement of A XOR B. A XOR B complement into so this is C in bar. C in. Okay. So again it is like if you consider this one as X and this is Y. Okay. So X bar X Y bar and X bar Y. Okay. So you can write X exclusive R of Y. So that means sum you can write as A XOR B XOR C in. A XOR B XOR C in. Okay. And next coming to carry. So if you draw the K map for carry, so if you, here I am writing A B C in 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. So wherever 1 is there, you should write. Okay. So here in 3 1 is there, and 5 1 is there, 6 1 is there, and 7 1 is there. Okay. So this makes one pair, and this makes one pair, and this makes one pair. Okay. So you can write this is A bar and this is A, B bar C in bar, B bar C in, B C in, B C bar in. Okay. So what is carry? So carry out. So carry out expression is so this is carry out expression. You can write. So if you see this one, so AB plus AC in plus B C in. AB plus AC in plus be seen. Okay, so this is the expression. Okay, so that means you can implement the full adder by using the two half adders. Okay, so how you can implement? Uh, so here, if you see, so you know the logic diagram for the half adder. Okay, so here, uh, so one XOR gate, and it is given to one AND gate. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Okay, so this makes one half adder. Okay, so this makes one half adder. Okay, so what is the output? S equal to what? A XOR B. Okay, and carry equal to what? AB. Carry equal to AB. Again, it is given to. So let us take one more input. So this is nothing but Cin. So it is given to one more XOR gate. Okay. Uh, again, Cin, this sum out given to one AND gate. Okay. So this makes one more half adder. One more half adder. Okay. So what is S? S equal to A XOR B XOR Cin. A XOR B XOR Cin. So what is this expression? A XOR B into Cn. A XOR B into Cn. Okay. So here AB is there, no? So here AB is there. So this is given to one OR gate. On OR gate. So what is C out? We are getting C out. A XOR B into Cin plus AB. Okay, A XOR B into Cin plus AB. Okay, so if you do this expression, you will get this C out expression. Okay, so that means uh, uh, how you can draw the full adder by using two half adders and one OR gate. Okay, so that means by using two half adders and by using the OR gate, you will get the uh, logic diagram for the full adder. Okay, so if you show like block diagram, so this is one half adder. Okay, so these are the inputs A, B. Okay, so we are getting the outputs. One is carry AB and one is sum A XOR B. Again, this one is given to one more half adder. One more half adder. So this one is Cin. Okay. So again, one output is given to one OR gate. One OR gate, you are getting C out. C out equal to what? A XOR B. A XOR B into Cin plus AB. Okay, and this is nothing but the sum. Sum equal to what? A XOR B XOR C. A XOR B XOR C. Okay, so this is how you can get the expression by using the two half adders. Okay, so two half adders. So how you are getting this expression means you will get C out as, suppose if you see the truth table and if you write, you will get this expression A bar B Cin plus AB bar Cin plus AB C bar in, okay, plus AB C in. Okay, so just wherever in the truth table, wherever the one is there in the carry out, okay, I written the expression. Okay, so without using the K map, I written this expression. So if you combine this one and if you realize this, you will get this expression AB plus A XOR B into Cn. AB plus A XOR B into Cn. Okay, so I am using this expression, and by using this expression, I am realizing the full adder by using the two half adders. Okay, so and next if you want to realize the output expression by using the NAND logic, universal gates. Okay, so if you implement by using the NAND logic, okay, so is it okay? Any doubts in this, students? Give response.
No, sir.
Okay. So you see, so I'm realizing the output of full adder, that is sum and carry, by using the NAND logic. Okay, so those are universal gates. You know that A XOR B, you can write this as A into AB bar into B into AB bar. Okay, B into AB bar, again bar, whole bar. Okay, so this expression I got in the previous half adder circuit. Okay, so now same like this, I can write the sum as A XOR B XOR Cin as like this. A XOR B, A XOR B, okay, into, so this I am considering as one term, that means A. Okay, so A XOR B and A XOR B into Cin. Okay, so this I am considering as A and this is I am considering as Cin. Okay, so Cin bar, okay, and next uh, into Cin, okay, B means Cin, A XOR B, A XOR B into Cin whole bar, okay, again whole bar. Okay, so that means by using this expression, I'm considering A XOR B as one term. Okay, and similarly, Cin, what is Cin? C out. C out equal to Cin into A XOR B plus AB. This you can write as Cin into A XOR B into AB. Okay, here bar and whole bar. Okay, so if you apply this De Morgan's law, you will get the same expression. Okay, so I'm using this one. So by using this these two expressions, I'm executing this by using the NAND logic. Okay, so one NAND gate, again it is connected to, so here you are getting A, so two inputs AB bar, okay, and next is given to one more NAND gate, and here we are giving one more NAND gate. Okay, so again the output is given to one more NAND gate. Okay, so again here you have Cin is given to here NAND gate. Again it is given to one more NAND gate. So I am realizing that expression, okay, by using the logic gates. So if you combine these two outputs of the NAND gate, you will get the sum. Okay, and you combine this one, okay, again this one and this one, you get the carry. Okay, here the output expression is Cin into A XOR B whole bar. Okay. So this is the AB bar. So you are getting C out. Okay. C out equal to what? Cin into A XOR B whole bar plus a AB bar. Okay. So like this, you need to realize by using the NAND logic. Okay. So this is about the half adder. And next half subtractor. Okay, so subtractor is used to subtract the two numbers. So basically what we will do, uh, uh, so you will apply the ones complement or twos complement for the subtrahend, and we are adding to the minute. Okay, so that means same adder is acting as a subtractor, so that we can reduce the circuit complexity. Okay, so that means we are using twos complement or ones complement method for the subtraction. Okay, so in order to reduce the circuit complexity. Okay, subtractor. So in this you have two types, half subtractor and full subtractor. First you will see half subtractor. So that means when you are subtracting, you will get when A is greater than B, okay, so you are getting the difference as zero, difference as positive, and you are getting bar as zero. So when A is less than B, okay, so you are getting difference as some value and bar as some value. Okay, so bar as one. Okay? One second.